Hey, are you sick getting up every morning, going to your 9 to 5? You know, your Heavenly Father's been giving you ideas and strategies, and you're not moving on them in your job. Well, my name is Coach Rodman, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs transition from employees to full-time entrepreneurs. And one of the things that keeps us trapped is our mindset, the mindset. Either you can have an employee mindset or you can have an entrepreneur mindset. It's a difference. I'm going to break it down. The employee mindset says, when I get home, I'm going to watch TV and I'm going to just scroll through social media. The entrepreneur mindset says, when I get home I'm going to dedicate at least 2 hours a day investing in myself, some skills, or my business. So those two mindsets are totally different. So one of the things that has you stuck on that job and you haven't made that move yet is the way you think, the mindset thing, how you see yourself. Do you see yourself as a full-time entrepreneur? And the way you see yourself is determined by your actions. Do your actions line up to what you say? Are you just talking with your mouth and your mouth and your actions not lining up? It's a mindset because we're procrastinating. So I want you to understand that the business is yours. You can be a full-time entrepreneurship. You just got to create a strategy on an exit route from that 9 to 5. You just got to create a strategy on how to get from that 9 to 5. Put systems in place. Put things in order so that you can leave your job. Because I know you're frustrated. I've been there. I've been there when I get up every morning, I was tired. And then when I go to work, they're paying me $20, $25 an hour. I'm worth more than that. I'm worth more than $25 an hour. Because my self-image, how I see myself, how I think about myself, I'm worth more than that. So that's why I created my business. And I started my business and I said, I'm going to never work for nobody else again. But I took the steps while I was still working the 9 to 5. I was billing too. And a lot of us not billing because we still have that employee mindset. We think we're fun and game. We want to have fun. But we talk this big dog game. Oh, we going to start this business. What you going to start? When you going to start? Business. Answer the question. When you going to start? Start today. Make today the starting point of new beginnings for you. Make today a starting point where you pick up that book and study what you need to study. Make today a day when you study marketing. How can I get more clients? How can I get more people to know what I do? Start today. We got to transition from that employee mindset to entrepreneur mindset. It starts today. So I want you to really tap in and say, what, today's the last day where I don't do nothing. Today's the last day when I get home at 5 or 6 o'clock, I don't at least put an hour or two into my business. Because the employee mindset says, I'm going on social media. I'm going on social media. I'm going to look at my favorite shows. I'm going to look at that new Tyler Perry movie. I'm going to see what Tyler Perry got going on. Tyler Perry, a billionaire. I'm not telling you you can't have to do that, but it's if you want to create generational wealth, if you want your children's children to thrive and say, Grandma, Grandpa left us this, left us some wealth, left us this, you got to start now. It starts with you. You are the generational changer for your family. It's up to you to change the generational course of you. When your nieces and nephews come in and say they want to go to college, you say, guess what? I'll write the check. Or they come in and say, Auntie or Uncle, I need $1,000. I need a car. You do it. Start with you. But you got to get from that employee mindset to the entrepreneur mindset. The entrepreneur mindset says, I got to win because people are dependent on me. I got to win. The people are dependent on me. So many people are dependent on me to win. Because you're the Joseph in your family. You're the one everybody going to look up to and say, I want to be like him. I want to be like my auntie. I want to be like my uncle. I want to be like my dad. They're going to look at you. But you got to get from that place of you got to get sick and tired of getting up every morning, going on somebody's job, knowing that you could call for more, knowing that you have the skills to do something bigger than to start your own company, knowing that you were a natural born leader. People will follow you if you just lead them, but you're stuck. You're stuck. I want to challenge you, man, to get up that shell, to get up the shell. And launch this business. Launch this business, man. It's yours. God has already given you the ideas for it. He's already given you the blueprint for it. What are you waiting on? The time is now. Faith without work is dead. Let's launch this business, man. Subscribe, like, comment. I want you to subscribe to my channel, man. I'll be sharing videos like this, I'm helping inspiring entrepreneurs transition from being employees to full-time entrepreneurs. I'm also putting in the comments, in the description, how to stay out of debt. I built a course, how to stay out of debt. How to stay out of debt. Because that's one of the biggest traps that I see so many entrepreneurs fall into. How to get out of debt and how to stay out of debt. It's a course I created because I was that entrepreneur who was in debt, struggling. And that's the first thing you got to do if you really want to launch out is get out of debt. I'll give you strategies on how to get out of debt. Get the course. It's in the description. But also like, subscribe, and share this video, man. It's going to bless so many people, man. It's up to you. God has already called you for entrepreneurship. Stop settling for mediocrity. It's yours. Go after it. It's yours. He gave you the blueprint. He gave you the strategy. And he's calling me to tell you, let's make it happen. Subscribe to my channel, man. Y'all be blessed.